Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook short ribs in a crock pot. First, let's get our ribs ready. You'll want about 2 to 4 pounds of bone-in beef short ribs. The bones add so much richness. Pat them very dry with paper towels, which helps achieve a beautiful crust. Then, season them generously on all sides with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This initial preparation is key for deep flavor. Next, we'll sear the ribs to lock an incredible flavor. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sear your seasoned short ribs for approximately 5 minutes total, ensuring all sides are beautifully browned. This step creates a rich, caramelized crust. After removing the ribs, add about 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 cup of carrots, and 3 cloves of minced garlic to the same pan, sautéing them for a few minutes until softened. Now it's time to build our braising liquid. Deglaze your skillet with 1 cup of dry red wine, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom. Then, add 2 cups of rich beef broth, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and 1 bay leaf to the pan. Pour this delicious mixture over your seared ribs and sautéed vegetables in the slow cooker. Cook on the low setting for 6 to 8 hours, or on high for 5 to 6 hours, until the meat is incredibly tender. Once your short ribs are fall off the bone tender, carefully remove them and the vegetables from the slow cooker. You can then skim any excess fat from the surface of the flavorful cooking liquid. If you prefer a thicker sauce, whisk together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry, then stir it into the hot liquid until thickened. Serve these magnificent ribs over creamy mashed potatoes or polenta for a truly comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.